Alright, this is a 44-inch New Bronze Hunter Stratford 2-seat fan. This time it's with the door cherry blades. That's the medium oak side. Forgot to mention in the last video that medium oak goes in well enough with this part that was sealing. Screw right there. I'll take that out later. Light works just like it should. Still kind of shakes a little bit. Don't really know if you can see that on camera. See if it wobbles on high or not. Cherry side. Oh my god, this stupid wind. Wind out here, not the ceiling fan. I think that canopy is stopping the ceiling fan from wobbling. You're out of your mind. That's why in the last video, this thing, that canopy being wobble free, I put the wobble free thing in quotations. So it looks to be really the exact opposite. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm just about to remove the light kit. So see you on the next video of this Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan. I don't know if I can help this thing off while holding the camera. Hop. Well, I'm just gonna remove the light kit now. Like I said, for real now, I'll see you all in the next video.